Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Hey guys.
So we're going to do an unboxing here. We just got new tins, Squirtle and Bulbasaur, and we're going to open them.
And we've nearly finished them.
What coin did you get?
Oh,
so did I. We got this new coin.
Yeah, we got the same.
Palgia. Mom, we got a weird coin.
Oh, Sun and Moon.
My shadow.
Sun and Moon.
Pass me that, I'll put that there for you. Yeah, Sun and Moon.
Archie's going to trade me
something for that.
a Jolty or normal because I need that.
I didn't say Jolty or normal. I'll swap you something
I
for it.
want something which includes TV.
Okay, let's do this.
Wait,
what did you get? An Evolutions pack? I'm starting with Evolutions.
Yeah.
First editions. If you get a Charizard. Blastoise.
Blastoise.
This has first editions in. I've got an Evolutions pack Blastoise. How do you do this?
You just pull it from there, then you pull it from that, and then it should open. Oh! Okay.
How are you?
B.
Really?
Ah, so cute.
Okay.
Whoa!
Oh, I like Arcanine. Another Arcanine. Poliwhirl. Misters and Blastoise Spirit Bank. Can you help?
What?
Can you open this for me? I can't open that pack. I can't open packs.
Guys, one sec. One sec.
Go get me some scissors.
Okay.
Mom,
can we have scissors? But don't come in the room.
no, I'll go get them. Stay here. I'll go get them.
Archie's going to get scissors, so I'm going to wait for him. And he's got scissors.
Okay. What a Palgia
Thanks,
coin.
Mum. I know.
Okay, I'm going to open this.
Oh, I opened it.
Lily, don't open the pack yet. Wait for me.
Yeah. I really want to see what... I don't know.
Oh yeah, I've got it there. Grab that little tiny bit. I just had to pull the top bit. There we go, I've got it. Weedle, I'm going to do the trick. Stanny, Charizard, Spirit Link, Charmeleon, Special Energy, Weedle, Voltorb, Poliwag, Ghastly, Magmite and Haunter. Do you want me to... I have this in swap, I'll give you it. What do you swap it for? For the, that?
Yeah.
This is a Special Energy first edition.
Yeah.
Okay, I will do it, I'll just need... Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Don't open it yet. Should we do it at the same time? See if we get anything good. Now you open yours then. You go first.
Yeah. We'll show you our cards at the end of the video. Because we need to open this. And they're real tough to open. Oh! Okay.
I'm going to guess the energy. Wait, Lily, I'm going to guess the energy. Lily, I'm going to guess the energy. You get to see it. Can you see the energy? Lily, can you see the energy on the screen? Don't tell me what it is.
Yeah,
Is it Steelix energy? Steel energy.
What's steel energy?
Oh, it is.
Whoa!
Charmander.
Charmeleon!
I got him.
Whoa!
Okay. Do you want to do the thing?
Actually, look at this. So cool.
Charizard. Oh, you wanted this?
Yeah.
Keep it. You top it for the Bulbasaur thing. I'm putting my cards in my thing.
Okay.
Square. I'll be right back. I'll go get it. It's in my actual. I've got it in swap, so I'll go get it out of my box. Stay here.
They're all safe and secure.
Here you go. What energy was it? That energy.
Yeah.
Got it in swap. I need to get it out of my book now. I'm going to get it out of my tin and put it in my book. Oh, God.
I feel like I just thing in my nose.
I've got a new pack. I've got a new coin to put in my book now.
Wait, why is it dirty?
That's not dirty. That's the special one.
No, it ain't. That's not dirty, and that's dirty.
That's because this is the rare one. Look, it's not dirt. Look, when you get it, when you scratch it, it don't come off. It's not dirt. Try scratching it, and it won't come off. It's not dirt. Did you see it's not dirt? You don't want it? Okay then. Do you want... No, don't put that away yet. I'll swap something. I'll give you that anyway. And something else. I have a new Spirit Link I want to put in that. I'm putting that in my book. Do you want Charmeleon First Edition? Yeah. Okay, you look through them. See if there's any you want. I'm going to put this in my book with my first edition. Oh, do you want this? Porygon Do Hollow. Put that in. I'll swap 3 cards at max. Oh, still got my coin in my hand.
Wait, I've got them too.
What? You've got what, 2?
Them too.
Are they yours?
No, them. They're yours.
You have them?
No.
You don't have them?
No.
I thought you had this one.
No.
You don't have these 2?
No.
Okay, I'm doing 3. Which one do you want? I'll do these 2, and which one do you want?
Wait, them two.
Them 2, and another one of these. For just that. Or you can switch out the card. You can pick another card out of them, any of them. Square. I'll put them up there. I need to put this in my book anyways. I'm going to be showing, in the next video, I'm going to show off all my new cards. Put in this one little one. That one.
Are you collecting Reddit?
Why? No.
No. There.
If you've checked through, there's these 2. There's these 2 that are on the bottom. Or you can switch out any of them. You can pick 3 of these. Or if there's any more in there you want, then you go straight ahead. Any more in there?
These.
Okay. Are they all the ones you want?
Mhm.
Okay, put them in there. Okay, which 3 do you want?
That one.
And that's special. You would swap for that. And
Wait, not that one.
which?
Them two.
And that's a double energy for this card. Them 2 and them 3.
Ding dong.
Thank you for the Bulbasaur thing. And now it's time. Let's put that there. Move the pack low. Are you ready? Are you ready, Lo?
Yep.
Here it goes. I'm connecting. Put Charmander there. Oh yeah, where's Bulbasaur? Oh yeah, Bulbasaur on this side. Move. Is that all of them?
Yeah. Yeah, that's all. We did it.
Finally!
Yes!
Go get Mum. Mum!
We collected all of them.
We collected all the back pieces, the paper. Look. We'll show Mum.
What did I try to do this?
What? No, that's yours. Do you see this back? Look at that.
My
That's the
sleeves.
We've collected all the back papers now. I finally collected them all. They're all finished. I've done it. It took hours and days. And days and hours, didn't it, Lil? See, even Lily says so. It took hours and days, didn't it? Wait, we need to get the tins and put them together then.
No, I need to do
Evie. I'll go get my Pikachu tin. Where's my Charmander one? Oh yeah, Charmander's there. Pikachu tin. Mom, you know what my Pikachu tin is? Oh, Lily! I've got this in swap. Do you want to swap for it?
Yeah.
Do you want this? What for?
I don't know.
And I've got Mewtwo.
I really need that.
Would you swap for this Pikachu?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm keeping my stuff.
Let me see your cards. Oh yeah. Let me see your cards. I'll see through. I'll only do one because you did 3 for mine.
Wait,
but
I
I'll
need
just
to
do
do
one.
something.
I'll just do one. I don't
I
want.
need them.
Yeah, you can have them. I don't want them. I don't want
I
them.
need them all.
Yeah, I don't like them. My favourite card you got was. It was a shiny one. It was one of the first editions. Arcanine. Oh, because you got it in swap, so. Would you swap it for the Pikachu one? And you're a Pikachu. And you have it in swap.
Give me.
There you go, your cards. Yes, Arcanine. Please. I finally got it in.
Can you do me
Okay.
a favour?
What?
I need you to do something.
What?
Do you know my... No, it's fine. But I need you to do something.
What?
I want to tell the viewers that
What? Subscribe and like this video and channel. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell.
and put a comment down below if you love Pokemon cards.
Do you want this? No.
Yeah.
What would you swap it for?
Don't know.
Let's see the cards. Else. Don't want. Just a bit of a blast though, Spirit Link. Because it is a Spirit Link.
What?
I'm collecting a Spirit Link.
What that?
Yeah, this. For the
No.
energy. We'll just swap for
Don't know.
We'll just swap it for a shiny Spirit Link.
No.
No, Lily, yours. Look, I'll show you them. Here's mine. Do you want to see mine? Do you want to see? Do you want to see? Look. They're both Spirit Links, yeah?
Mm.
Look at mine. Mine's shiny and yours isn't. Would you do that? Shiny Spirit Link for a normal Spirit Link. Would you do that? Shiny for a normal?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. That's yours. I need to go to my first editions. I want to put it with them. Charizard Spirit Link. Put it with that.
Actually,
Yeah.
I'm putting 4 cards in here.
Mhm.
And I can take them out. And you want to show them.
There you go. You can have that for free.
And
You
then
can have that for free.
there you go. I need another
Okay.
card.
There we go. Okay, finally finished that. Oh, and what we were finished was this. We have now got the Bulbasaur, Pikachu, Charmander and Eevee and Squirtle. All of them. So now, when we connect it, it looks like the tins all put together.
Comment down below if you love Pokemon cards.
Yeah.
They are awesome.
Especially this one. Charizard First Edition, really rare card. And it's in a Charizard sleeve. Charizard Reshiram sleeve. But my best cards are in my book. I'll show you them after. Bye!